Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to be continuing our lesson on converting measurements. I'm going to be putting up yesterday's video here because a lot of this is a continuation of that, but I'm also putting up a second video, which is the one I'm recording right now, to extend upon yesterday's lesson. So let's say that we are converting meters to kilometers. Let's say I have 1,578 meters. And I want to convert that into kilometers. I want to know how many kilometers that is. Okay? Well, I know if I look at my conversion chart that 1,000 meters is equal to kilometer. All right, let's figure out the formula. I'm going from 1,000 down to 1. So I need to divide, because my number is getting smaller. 1,000 divided by 1,000 equals 1 kilometer. Okay, there is my formula from going from meters to kilometers. I haven't even done any math yet. So let's take that 1,578 meters and we want to convert it to kilometers. So we're going to divide it by 1,000. Now I could do this 1,578 divided by 1,000, or I could just move the decimal. I'm going to write this number down here. And you're saying, but Mrs. Farben, there's no decimal. Well, remember that invisible decimal? On every whole number, there is an invisible decimal, and it's all the way to the right of the number. So here's that invisible decimal. So now all we need to do is to move that decimal. Our number gets smaller, so we have to move it to the left. And the 1,000 tells us we have to move it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So our new number is 1 and 578 thousandths. That's our answer. Okay, let's try one more. What if I'm converting milliliters to liters? Okay, let's say I'm doing this. 509 milliliters. And I want to know how many liters does that equal? Well, I go to my conversion chart, and my conversion chart tells me that 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. Let's get our formula. Number from what we're going from 1,000 down to 1, so our number's getting smaller. I divide. 1,000 divided by 1,000 equals 1. There is my formula. Haven't even done any math yet. So let's take that 509 milliliters and we're going to divide it by 1,000. Okay, I'm going to write it big here so you can see it. There's no decimal here. I'm going to put my invisible decimal all the way to the right on every whole number. I need to move it to the left because we want our number to get smaller. And I look at this 1,000, it has 3 zeros, so I'm moving it 1, 2, 3. Here is my answer. Oh, sorry, I wrote it wrong. 509 thousandths. So 509 milliliters equals 509 liters. I'm sorry, let me say it again. 509 milliliters equals 509 thousandths liters. Okay, any questions? You can ask me during our live lesson.